want
I want to thank you all for giving us the opportunity to sit and share with you this morning. As COP23 presidency, Fiji has a wonderful opportunity to share with you the problems that we have in small and vulnerable states, as you all know, being a member, as we are a member of your group. It's a wonderful opportunity for a small island nation state to host the presidency. And we thank the government of Germany for providing this assistance to us. But let me very briefly, Your Excellency, recall Fiji's vision and priorities for COP23. I'm sure you all know this, and that is to uphold and advance the Paris Agreement by ensuring tangible progress on the implementation guidelines. A good basis for negotiations is essential for the successful completion of the work in 2018 and the credibility of the Paris Agreement. To conclude, of course, the design of a Talanoa dialogue, we need to raise the ambition to limit temperature increase to 1.5 degrees that's stated in the Paris Agreement, to build greater resilience for all vulnerable nations to the impacts of climate change, including by enabling access to climate adaptation finance. Finance is a priority area for the presidency, which we will follow very closely. Of course, to forge a grand coalition to accelerate climate action for 2020 and beyond between civil society, the scientific community, the private sector, and all levels of government, including cities and regions. And may I tell you that we visited the bomb zone yesterday. They have yet to complete. I think they're completing it this weekend. It will be a wonderful place to meet everyone. As you know, we had a pre-COP meeting back in Fiji a couple of weeks ago. And this pre-COP was marked as the biggest ever in the history of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. We heard clear and loud an expression of strong support for the Fijian presidency and its vision during pre-COP. On the Talanoa dialogue, the dialogue will be constructive, facilitative, and solutions orientated. It must result in better decision making for the collective good. The dialogue will consist of a preparatory and a political phase, jointly led by Fiji and Poland. The presidency will continue consulting with all the parties on the best approaches to follow. On the implementation guidelines, the Paris Agreement work program, significant progress has been made on most of the individual components of the Paris Agreement. Critical to start producing tangible results in the form of textual elements. And the pre-COP showed a strong appetite for having country-owned text, headings or elements of text by the end of COP23 in order to start working on draft decisions in 2018. Work under the SBs and the APA in the first week is fundamental. I will meet with the chairs of the SBAs and APA every day to make sure work progresses in a balanced manner. The COP will take stock on Saturday afternoon. I will also focus my attention on other issues which are also necessary so that all parties can act, including pre-2020 action and particularly finance. Global climate action, we need a grand coalition of all actors, parties and non-state parties. We need to go further, we need to go faster together. As part of the more than 400 events happening in the bomb zone, The presidency will host 5 high-level events, which you all know, on health, on a pathway to 2050, on resilience and insurance, on UN coherence, and on human rights. In summary, Your Excellencies, Fiji's vision is for a presidency that is transparent and inclusive of all. It advances the Paris Agreement and accelerates climate action for all vulnerable societies, drawing on our own experience as a small island developing state in the Pacific. The Fijian presidency will continue to engage with all parties before and during COP23 to expedite progress for the collective good. Our doors remain open for whenever the group feels the need to approach the presidency, rural and urban areas. Thank you, Your Excellency. Vinapavali.
We want to have more progress on all the substantive issues of the Paris Agreement work program. We are in full support with
On behalf of OSIS. Any other requests for the floor?
Good morning to you, also. It's indeed an honor to have the presence of the OPON for hosting this significant event. To respond, we have passed